Imagine that thing lives in this place where there's no vegetables at all.
Nope.
But it got so big. It evolved to get that big.
Meat, dude. Just meat. Tons and tons and tons of meat.
And it can eat a fucking, like a hole through ice to get to you, too.
Yeah.
It'll just chew through the ice.
Dude.
It'll do whatever it can to get to you, right?
It's so nice that they're so far away.
They swim. You know, they jump in the water and swim.
They can swim 6 miles an hour.
Bro.
And for how long can they swim? I wonder how long they can stay in the water for, because they have to get out at some point.
How fast is that in knots? And why do we need knots?
Like boat people love that shit.
What's up with boat people? Hey, it's 6 fathoms. Hey, fuckface. How many feet?
It's 5.2 knots.